For decades, the Andromeda galaxy appeared to be a silent neighbor. Massive, ancient, and drifting toward the Milky Way with a calm so deceptive it almost felt intentional. From Earth, it looked serene, orderly, almost timeless. A spiral of soft light suspended in darkness. But recently, something changed. As the Hubble Space Telescope completed one of the most ambitious imaging campaigns ever attempted, astronomers began noticing unsettling details hidden beneath that calm exterior. Patterns that should not exist. Ripples frozen into starlight. Distortions etched across regions once believed to be stable for billions of years. Scars that do not belong to a peaceful galaxy. These were not subtle anomalies. They were structural wounds. Rings carved by impact. Stellar streams stretched so far they disappear into the void. A galactic core burning with such density that its collective starlight bleeds into a blinding golden blaze unlike anything previously observed. The more scientists looked, the clearer it became. Andromeda was not quiet. It was wounded. Hubble was never designed to see this much. It was never supposed to resolve individual stars across an entire neighboring galaxy. Yet, after more than 600 individual observations, stitched together into a single 2.5 billion pixel mosaic over 10 years of continuous work, something undeniable emerged. This image was not just detailed. It was intimate. It exposed Andromeda's internal structure with brutal clarity, resolving nearly 200 million individual stars spread across its disk. For the first time, a galaxy stopped being an abstract object and became a living system shaped by violence, loss, and survival. When the final image was unveiled in early 2025, even seasoned astronomers were stunned. It instantly became the most detailed image of any galaxy ever captured. Tilted nearly edge-on at 77 degrees, Andromeda appears almost vulnerable. The northern side glows with relative symmetry, while the southern region looks disturbed, warped, and uneven. Every bright point represents a star burning millions of years into its lifespan, each one a witness to the galaxy's past. It is the cosmic equivalent of standing inches away from a massive scar and realizing it never healed correctly. Among the first revelations were two enormous rings embedded deep within Andromeda's disk. These are not decorative features or spiral quirks. They are shockwaves. Galactic ripples created by a direct collision with another galaxy. The outer ring, located roughly 10 kiloparsecs from the core, glows with hot, young, metal-rich blue stars formed when gas clouds were violently compressed. The inner ring, hidden within dust and only visible in infrared, was once misidentified as a miniature spiral arm. Together, they tell a singular story of impact. Simulations point to a clear culprit. Messier 32. Today it appears as a small, compact dwarf galaxy orbiting Andromeda. But long ago, it was far larger. Evidence suggests it plunged straight through Andromeda's disk, sending waves of compressed gas outward like ripples in a pond. Even a mysterious gap in the outer ring aligns precisely with this scenario. These rings are not artistic structures. They are forensic evidence. They are Andromeda remembering violence. Yet the rings are only the surface of the story. Extending nearly 150 kiloparsecs into Andromeda's halo is the giant southern stream, a vast ribbon of stars torn from a galaxy that ventured too close and was shredded by gravity. These stars glide along invisible gravitational rails, cold and metal-rich, carrying the chemical fingerprints of a long-dead system. Their metallicity matches that of Messier 32 and the disturbed southern disk, strengthening the case for an ancient, catastrophic merger. Simulations suggest Andromeda absorbed a massive galaxy known as M32P between 2 and 5 billion years ago. This was not a minor event. That collision alone may account for nearly 20% of Andromeda's current stellar population. What remains today may be only the exposed core of that galaxy, Messier 32 itself. A survivor of an impact that should have erased it completely. This violent history forces scientists to rethink Andromeda's future, and ours. For decades, astronomers believed a collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way was inevitable, predicted to occur roughly 4 billion years from now. But refined measurements and improved models have introduced unsettling uncertainty. There is now only about a 50% chance the two galaxies will actually merge within the next 10 billion years. The alternative is not safety. A near miss could be just as destructive. Gravitational tides could stretch both galaxies into vast stellar arcs. Star clusters could be torn apart. Entire solar systems could be ejected into intergalactic space, drifting forever without a home star. Whether collision or near pass, the outcome would fundamentally reshape both galaxies. Stability is no longer guaranteed. Hubble also revealed something unexpected and deeply unsettling. Andromeda is far more active than it should be. Massive spiral galaxies are expected to age gracefully, slowly exhausting their gas and reducing star formation over time. But ultraviolet imaging shows brilliant clusters of young blue stars scattered across Andromeda's disk. These stars are far younger than expected and appear in regions that should no longer support active star birth. The explanation points again to violence. When a galaxy plunges through another, shockwaves compress gas across enormous regions, igniting star formation that can last hundreds of millions of years. Andromeda is not aging quietly. It is still vibrating from ancient impacts, behaving like a galaxy far younger than its true age. At the heart of the galaxy lies another warning. Andromeda's nucleus is far brighter and more massive than theoretical models predict. Its central bulge is swollen, asymmetric, and packed with stars of vastly different ages. This suggests repeated mergers funneled enormous mass directly into the core. Such instability can awaken a central black hole, triggering bursts of radiation capable of reshaping the inner galaxy. Faint diffuse light detected in Andromeda's inner halo may even be a lingering echo of such an event. If the central black hole experienced a feeding episode in the past, high-energy radiation could have scattered off surrounding dust, leaving behind a ghostly afterimage preserved for tens of thousands of years. It is the lingering glow of a sleeping engine. Beyond the disk, Hubble uncovered an outer halo filled with ghostly stellar streams, the fossil record of countless galaxies consumed over billions of years. Some streams loop gracefully. Others tear away abruptly, like cosmic shrapnel frozen mid-explosion. Their varied metallicity reveals their origins. Some came from primitive dwarf galaxies. Others from systems far larger and more evolved. Andromeda did not grow peacefully. It fed repeatedly. Even its satellite galaxies reveal a disturbing pattern. Many orbit in a vast, rotating plane, moving in synchronized motion rather than random chaos. This suggests a shared origin, remnants of past mergers slowly spiraling toward eventual destruction. Andromeda's satellite system is not a family. It is a feeding chain. Taken together, the image Hubble captured is more than a scientific milestone. It is a revelation. Andromeda is not a tranquil spiral drifting harmlessly through space. It is a survivor of repeated cosmic trauma, rebuilt by collisions and still shaped by their aftermath. Its history is a warning written in starlight. Andromeda's past is not unique. It is a preview. A mirror held up to the Milky Way. A reminder that galaxies do not evolve through peace, but through destruction, assimilation, and renewal. Nothing in the universe remains untouched forever. As Andromeda continues its slow approach, carrying the scars of everything it has endured, one truth becomes impossible to ignore. The calm we see is an illusion. Beneath it lies chaos, memory, and inevitability. And sooner or later, our galaxy will be forced to reckon with the same cosmic forces that shaped Andromeda into what it is today. The question is no longer if galaxies change. The question is how much they must destroy to survive.